Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Comfort Suites here in Lafayette, Indiana. We got something innovation here to ride. Something generic. AMCO. Interesting. Here we go. This is pretty interesting. AMCO. Oh, going down?
Sorry. Yeah.
Come on in. Sorry.
You're fine. You're recording?
Yep, I'm recording the elevator here. I know it sounds weird, but...
No, is everything okay?
Go ahead.
Alright.
I'll let you go first. That's a weird innovation, man. That's from like the 90s. It's a nice one. And there it goes. With a bang. Of course. It's a pretty nice hotel.
Yeah, it is actually.
And I guess that is going to be it for me.